Thank you for joining me today. My name is Tricia Thomas. I'm a partner here at Fourlane, and today I get the pleasure of spotlighting our custom development team and some of the ways that they have helped one of my clients. Before I get to today's topic, I want to share with you guys and remind you that we do have a YouTube channel. So if you're wanting to look back at videos that we have created on different topics, you can always go to this channel. Our channel is youtube.com/Fourlane. There's lots of videos up there. You can also like and subscribe to that channel. This is going to allow you to get notifications every time we upload one of our videos. Now a little bit about our support plans. So we heard our clients. We heard the frustration of them having to reach out anytime they had a technical issue. It's very frustrated reaching out to Intuit. And so the same as we have our service consulting and supporting our QuickBooks accounting and our workflows, we created a technical team. So they're going to support the technical issues that you deal with your QuickBooks file. It could be an error that you don't know what it means. Your file is crashing. You've run a verify and you don't know what it means, what's coming back with the errors. Someone's having an issue and can't log in. So these are all the technical support that you want to have in place when it comes to your QuickBooks file. All of our technical team members are US based. That means that they are all over. Our standard time zone is Monday through Friday Central Time, but of course they will work with you. They are all in different time zones. All of our team members know QuickBooks and the online product, so they know the desktop, the online products, including the new Intuit Enterprise Suite product. They know the software and accounting, and why that's important is because when you are dealing with a technical issue, you want someone that understands the accounting aspect, not just the software kind of database setup. Okay? This really affordable, easy plan. It's easy to get set up. The same day you get set up, we can actually help you with your issue. All you have to do is email our support team. We want you to include in the email all the details of the issue, the urgency level, and if there's a best time to contact you, that's very helpful. What you're going to get back is within an hour of your email, an email stating a time that they can meet you that day so they can take care of your issue. So if you like more information, please reach out. We are signing up people every day, and we have heard how happy and they wish they would have done it before now. Okay, so let's talk about today's topic. As I told you guys, I am using this time to spotlight our custom development team and how they helped one of my clients. So we're going to talk about the challenges in their current workflow. We're going to talk about the result of those current processes and what it was doing to their database. And then I'm going to go in and talk you through how we created a custom program to automate their processes. Okay, so let me bring up my file. Okay, so a little bit background about this client themselves. They are a leading plant nursery serving landscaping contractors, and what they were needing to do is modernize their order management and inventory. They were getting higher amount of orders, their volumes were increasing, and their vendor network was very complex. Okay, so what they found is their current enterprise product could not fill what they needed it to fill. The setup no longer was sufficient, and particularly when it came to what they really need when it came to supporting their customers. Okay, so I'm going to kind of walk you through what their current processes were and what led them to Fourlane, and of course, how we help them. So for their customers, it starts with the sales order. Okay, so coming on here, I'll show you a couple of examples. So they would put in the sales order, so their customer would pick out at the nursery all the different plants that they wanted. Most of the time, this Nursery does not keep a lot of stock on hand, so they have to order from a vendor. Once it comes in, their customers will then come and pick up. So what they were doing in current state was they had created custom fields. And the purpose was the custom field was to track who they needed to order the plant from. So you can see here's a vendor custom field. In this particular order, you see that they had to order from several different vendors. So we have these 2 plants coming from vendor 1. We have this one from vendor 2, and so on. So you can see this order right here, they needed to reach out to 6 different vendors to fulfill their customer order. This custom field was where they were tracking where the plant was located at their nursery. So think of inventory sites, and in their case, it was beds. So they were tracking in the nursery where they were located. Now, because it's a custom field, it doesn't actually track inventory by site. Okay, so they were manually entering this information every time they received a plant by putting it in the custom field, but they didn't actually have inventory sites on, so this did not actually allow them to track what they had for plants at inventory site, which then slowed down when they need to reorder to keep on hand what their customers were wanting. Okay, so from here, what they would do is they would say, okay, we have this order from our customer. We now need to go reach out to the vendor and order this product. So they would come in here and they would create a purchase order. I'll just show you an example. And remember, in this case, they're going to have to create 6 different purchase orders to fulfill this order. Okay, so they would come in here to the purchase order. They would select the vendor. They would enter the plants, enter the quantity, and then they would link it to the customer. And then this was, again, another custom field because they didn't know how to link it to a sales order. So they were manually tracking every order and where it went to. So this client was actually entering a separate purchase order per customer order. So if we had this same order for 5 different customers, they would create 5 different purchase orders for this 6 vendors for every order. So as you can imagine, this was building to the size of that database to where the reporting ended up being so sluggish because they were duplicating their efforts in everything they were doing. So they had frequent double entry between the sales order and the purchase order. And then they were having to manually track when the order was received, who it went to, and of course, manually track around their locations, their beds, because they didn't have the features turned on that they needed. So this was causing difficulty in managing and maintaining all of their information. It also was causing a bigger issue in the background database is because they were doing so much manual work and double duties, they were not following clean processes to receive inventory, and it was causing negative inventory in their accounting file. We know negative inventory in our accounting file will corrupt our database. So when they reached out to Fourlane, not only did we have to create this custom program to take away the manual work that they were doing. So we wanted to automate their order processing. We wanted to improve their inventory and data accuracy. We also wanted to reduce the workload that they were doing and enhance their system performance. But to do all of that, we had to also support this database. Okay, so we had to come in and we had to clean up all of this negative inventory. We don't want to add and change processes without having a clean database. So we had to do a repair on the database after we cleaned up this negative inventory. And then because the database was so big, we could not go and add a custom program and attach it, but because of the file size, so we had to go through what we call a condensed process. And the condensed process is choosing a date, kind of putting a line in the sand and saying, I want to remove all of the data before this date, all of the transactions. So this gives us a clean, smaller database. So we are able to now go in and work with our development team and create the solution. Let's talk about the solution. Okay. So what we did is, as they would come into QuickBooks and they would create this same exact sales order, when they would hit save, this sales order would go out to a custom program that we built, and it would automate a purchase order creation. Okay, so it would read, and it would read all of this information here, all of these vendors, and it would create a purchase order for this vendor, for this item, and for this quantity. And it would be in this outside custom program that we built. So they did not have to enter the purchase orders one at a time. It would come in and it would create a purchase order per vendor. Now, here's the cool, really key point, is it would hold that purchase order open so that they could continue to add. So throughout the week, every time they got another customer order, the system would extract the information from the sales order, and it would go and look and see, have I already created a purchase order? If so, I'm just going to go add another item, another quantity, or if I need to create a new one. So it would keep throughout the week all of these vendor purchase orders open and just add to them for all the items and all the quantity throughout the week. The client would then say, okay, I'm now ready to actually send these to the vendor. So he'd go to a custom program that we built, and they would say, okay, now it's time to close the purchase order. The purchase order would then flow back into QuickBooks and actually create a new purchase order. And all those items for all of those vendors would be linked to it. It would be automated. We turned on the site so they could see actual inventory by site, so they could track plant locations within their accounting file. So this allowed the staff to quickly identify stocks across the greenhouse and the yards. Okay, so all they had to do at this point, it's created in QuickBooks, and all they had to do was email it to their customer. Oh, excuse me, to their vendor. I apologize. One of their other asks was that we would like to, when it's received in, for a label to be created. So this label would have all of that one customer sales order, all of the plants, all the quantities. So when their customer came and picked it up, it was sitting in their area, all labeled, so they knew exactly what plant went to each customer. So it automated their team not having to go and pull plans out to redo this sales order for this customer. Okay. So kind of cleanup wise, as we were going through this, one of the things that we identified, we love custom fields, but because we needed to sync the custom fields to the actual vendor list, what we identified is this custom field was not actually linked anywhere. They were manually inputting this data, and sometimes they would spell it wrong. Sometimes they would abbreviate. So part of that cleanup that we had to do with them to make sure that we gave that technical sync exactly what they were looking for is we had to clean up this custom field and make sure that it was linked to their actual vendor module. Okay? So we also automated their database. So we migrated their data to a dedicated server. So this reduced all the QuickBooks tables, resolved the database locking up, ensuring reliable performance for everyone across the board. It stopped, with cleaning up the file, doing the condense, and then restructuring processes. It allowed them to no longer experience everything that they had in the past. Okay. So kind of the results and the impact. So they gained efficiency. Double entry was eliminated. It allowed the orders to flow directly from the customer's request to that automation of the purchase order in one step. Now this allowed their staff to focus on the vendor management instead of the manual processing. So this was a huge time savings to them. We also enhanced inventory visibility. So by turning on and automating the inventory by site and bin tracking, this allowed faster plant retrieval. This also allowed for more reporting visibility when they had the shortages, so it prevented that. So it allowed them to really use the features inside of QuickBooks to have that robust inventory management that they needed. This also improved fulfillment accuracy. So by integrating the label printing, this improved the accuracy from the greenhouse to the landing dock. Having those barcodes added, reducing the pick errors, and escalated being able to fulfill their customer orders. We also built it to where this is going to grow with them. So it is ready as they add vendors, as they add plants. This program will also sync out that information. So when we update list data, it's a two-way sync, and the custom program will grow for them. Okay, so I'm going to kind of repeat everything because I'm really excited and how we really help this client. So kind of just let me show you so if I can go to my next one. Okay, so again, kind of a recap how our custom team was able to help my client. So their key challenges were double entry, manual tracking of inventory across multiple locations by not using the features that are built in. So of course, this caused difficulty in managing and maintaining all of their data. They had sluggish reporting, they had negative inventory, they had a very large database. So their frustration of the system locking up, it crashing, not being able to really see when we needed a reorder. So their customers were frustrated. So our development team automated their purchase order creation. We were able to turn on and work with them and understand the inventory by site tracking and all of the reporting capabilities around those reorder. We built out their labor printing integrations so that way that they are able to have from sales order to purchase order to their customer's order. This speeds up fulfilling their customer orders. And of course, we were able to clean up and have the syncing between their custom data fields. And by cleaning up their database, that optimized that database. Okay. So last but not least, what did they gain out of this? What was the big picture? So we eliminated and time saved them so much. So we eliminated the manual double entry that they were doing. So they no longer had to focus on what was real and what wasn't. They were able to focus on their customer relationships and their vendor relationships. Being able to increase their visual for inventory and their reorder. It allows them to keep on hand what they need to take care of their customers faster. Being able to fulfill, having that label printing improves their accuracy and what their customers are looking for. Okay, so thank you again for allowing me to share with you guys just one way our team has helped our clients. We kind of do a little bit of everything. So sometimes when people ask me, well, what can you guys do? You know what I like to say? What can't we do? So we can do everything from custom reporting. Maybe we want to see different reports and we need a dashboard and we want it customized and we want to be able to see graphs, pie charts. We can do that. We can do everything from building an outside program that syncs with your QuickBooks. It reads the data and it creates the data you need to make decisions. Or in this case, we just needed automation. What we were doing was not only causing issues in our database, but the team was frustrating in all the manual work that they had to do. So building in this automation saved them so much time and money and energy and allowed them to focus on what's important to them. Okay, well, that's all I've got for you today. Please reach out. We would love to hop on a consult and kind of look at what we can do to help tailor in your software solutions to help you move forward with your business. Thank you so much.